AV8 PMA is a company that has dedicated itself to the process of reverse engineering, certifying, and manufacturing parts for their customers. We've done approximately 400 parts in the last 4 years. We've worked hard to build an organization that has those special talents in-house, ready to go. Availability or price. There can be technical advantages in PMAing a part. A lot of times we make the part out of newer materials, more modern manufacturing techniques. The FAA requires our replacement parts to be equal to or better. Predominantly they are better. The certification package, which involves the engineering, stress analysis, strength, usability, applicability, fits, clearances, and so forth. That package is what is eventually submitted to the FAA for their approval, either directly or through a designated engineering representative of the FAA, known as a DER. Having a DER on staff is certainly very advantageous in progressing the PMA process. The alternative is to go to a contract DER, and you essentially have to stand in line and wait for them to have time to work on your project. There's actually very few DERs in the country, and they're very much in demand. So having your own on staff, on hand 24/7 certainly speeds up the system.
As the approving DER, I approve the engineering data. I'm responsible for the certification of the product.
We look for the company or the organization that is an expert at making that kind of part, and we work with them through our manufacturing manager to interface with them on these individual projects to get the parts made. Once the parts are made, they have to come back through here and go through AV8 PMA's quality system. We are required to do 100% inspection of 100% of the parts. So every part that is made is brought through our system, checked and double checked before it goes out for use. This is not an easy process. It is not a quick process. We are able to bring that time from 9 to 12 months down to 3 to 6 months. In this particular PMA world, that is blazing fast. If you have repairs and overhauls that can't be done until we get the part certified, it's costing you money. The other thing is that by keeping all of the processes and the specialties in-house, we're able to reduce the overall cost of the package. Repair stations who have an ongoing need for individual repair parts for the larger assemblies they work on. Parts sales companies. Oftentimes, parts companies see an ongoing demand for a part that they feel is overly priced or unavailable. We will provide a complete part, certified, ready for them to put on the shelves and ready for distribution. Fleet operators of aircraft. So these are people who, by virtue of the fact that they operate fleets of aircraft, have ongoing needs for certain types of parts for their fleet. We make the process easy, we make the process seamless, and we provide you with a certified part to put on your shelf and use or sell. AV8 PMA, parts made available.